What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I've been getting a lot of comments lately about people having a really hard time taking off in first gear. You know, people's cars just keep stalling and they're just having a really tough time getting rolling in first. So if this is happening to you, there's a very high chance that you're just overcomplicating this takeoff. Because honestly, smooth starts in a manual usually come down to just a few simple things. So in this video, I'm going to simplify all of that and give you 4 tips on how to have smooth takeoffs in first gear every single time. Let's get right into it. Quick side note, if you want to learn this faster, I put together a free manual driving cheat sheet that you can follow while you're practicing. It covers everything step by step so that you're not second guessing. You can grab it from the link in the comments down below. Okay, tip number 1 is to always aim for around 1500 RPM when you're starting in first gear. One of the biggest mistakes that a lot of people make is trying to start with either too little gas or way too much gas. And this is exactly why people either stall the car or shoot the RPMs way too high and dump the clutch. For most beginner drivers, around 1500 RPM is the perfect middle ground. Why? Because it gives the engine enough power to smoothly move the car forward without it struggling. At idle RPM, which is around 700 to 900 RPM, the engine doesn't really have much extra power. So if the clutch engages too quickly, the RPM drops hard and the engine stalls. But at around 1500 RPM, the engine has that power buffer and the clutch engagement becomes much smoother. Now you got to remember that every car is a little bit different. Cars with smaller engines may need a little bit more revs, and cars that have a lot of torque may need a little bit less. But 1500 is an excellent starting point for almost everybody learning manual. Okay, tip number 2 is to not press down on the gas pedal too hard. This is where a lot of people accidentally sabotage themselves. They hear give it gas, so they go crazy and just really press down on the throttle way too hard. This is what overshoots the revs to like 2000, 2500, maybe even 3000. And then the panic kicks in and they end up dumping the clutch. This is what creates that jerky launch and those inconsistent starts. Instead, you need to remember that you only need a light press on the gas pedal to bring those revs up to 1500. And here's something that you might not realize as well. As soon as you start lifting your foot off the clutch, the revs already shoot up just a little bit because the engine naturally reacts to that load transfer. So it's already going to go up by a little bit. And if you slam on the gas pedal, it's just going to overshoot it. So remember, don't press the gas pedal too hard. A good drill to do is kind of just playing around with that gas pedal and just aiming for 1500 and see how much gas and how much pressure you really need to apply on the gas pedal to bring those revs up to that number. Okay, tip number 3 is to not rush past the bite point. This is probably the biggest mental mistake that a lot of people make. They think that, as soon as the car moves, they need to lift their foot off the clutch ASAP. But this is completely wrong. In first gear, you actually have a lot more time than you think. You can pause a little bit at the bite point and just let the car settle for a bit. You might be scared to release the clutch too slow because you're afraid of burning it, but short control slipping during takeoff is completely normal. So don't worry about burning the clutch. And besides, as you improve, your clutch release naturally becomes faster and smoother anyway, but in the beginning, you need to give yourself that time. Smooth first, fast later. Okay, and finally, tip number 4 is to memorize the feel and sound of your car when you're taking off. Eventually, manual driving stops becoming a step-by-step checklist, and it just becomes a matter of listening to your car. That's the goal. The best manual drivers are constantly listening and feeling for the sound of the engine and the vibrations of the car in each gear. And once you have a couple of smooth takeoffs, you'll remember what that sounds and feels like. And your brain is going to start to learn these patterns through repetition. This is why practice matters so much. Not just random practice though, focused repetition. Alright, and there you have it. Those are 4 tips on how to have smooth takeoffs in first gear every single time. So just as a recap, tip number 1, always aim for around 1500 RPM when you're taking off. Number 2, don't press the gas pedal too hard when you're starting off in first gear. Number 3, don't rush past bite point. And number 4, learn the sound and feel of the car when you're taking off. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and comment down below if you're struggling with anything or if you want me to cover a certain topic in a future video. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.